Hello?
Hello.
Okay. The title of this article is Communication Across Cultures, The Need for Translation Services in Today's World by James Andrew. The article discusses how language barriers worldwide are a global issue, but there is not enough encouragement to offer translation services as a solution. I chose this article because the author discusses situational context that is relatable to me. I've been in situations where I cannot get past communication barriers. For example, I visited Mexican or Asian grocery stores to get supplies. In these situations, I do not speak the dominant language of the employees. I can never find anyone who is bilingual. As a result, I have to communicate in a different style by pointing to what I want. Imagine if the roles were reversed. In every situation, there are usually people who are not assimilated into the present culture. Imagine having someone there who knew both cultures and could serve as a translator. The experience for both cultures would be much richer and it would be easier. Now, let's put ourselves back into the situation at the grocery store. Most people say a solution would be to use Google Translate. But is Google Translate satisfactory in this situation? There are multiple faults to utilizing this service. This AI device only provides a user with a mechanical voice that translates language. Google Translate does not account for accuracy, cultural sensitivity, subject matter, consistency, and time efficiency. Language is expressed with different vocal tones. Focusing on pitch and volume in someone's voice can change the emotions and meaning behind a word. Language also has conative and denotative meanings. For example, in the Mandarin language, changing the pitch of a syllable changes the meaning of a word. A robotic voice does not have a pitch. Not accounting for these factors in language is similar to playing a game of telephone. The message from the recipient is not translated correctly, and now the message is changed and the recipient has to start over. Both parties have reached the point of no return. Also, time is wasted. Both parties have not gotten what they wanted. James Andrew concludes that technology takes away authenticity. This article relates to the class because language comes from someone's culture. We live in a world that indulges in shortcuts. These shortcuts include communication devices such as website localization, software localization, multimedia localization, and document translation. These tools may be satisfactory for businesses because they do not have to use as much energy to supplement a diverse marketplace. Although this is the case, technology shortcuts rob people of rich intercultural communication experiences because nothing is face to face. Intercultural communication takes place face to face between different cultures. Without this, it is not active communication. It is just communication through a robot. In conclusion, I learned that AI devices do not account for the complexity of intercultural communication. I was able to relate my personal experiences with the experiences of the author in this article. Human translators bring qualities to the table that computers cannot, just such as an understanding of religion, gender rules, and so much more. Okay, now